Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Olunaku lw'ejjo ennaku z'omwezi nga 19 omwezi guno gwe tulimu. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert Bobi Wine yabadde mu district oba mu kibuga ekya Arua City. Era mu byafaayo bya Arua City ebitagenda kwerabirwa yeeyo Bobi Wine gye yasanga obuzibu obwali bututta obulamu bwe obwatwala ne driver we Kawuma Yasin. Olunaku lw'ejjo we yabadde ku Lwale yavuddeyo n'apayinga tribute to Kawuma Yasin ne ba comrades bonna abafudde mu nsonga za struggle. Ku lunaku lwennyini ennaku z'omwezi nga 19 omwezi gwa November bannakyukakyuka babadde baguselebratinga oluvannyuma lw'ekyaliwo mu ggwanga Uganda mu mwaka gwa 2021 ennaku z'omwezi nga 18 ne 19 omwezi gwa November abantu we battibwa ab'ebyokwelindirira. So olwayo Kyagulanyi ayogedde ku abo abazze batirimbulwa omuli Abiriga, Kawuma n'abalala. Wabadde ayogerako eri abatuuze mu Arua City. Bobi Wine ayogedde bw'ati. Tambuza video.
Obote was in power for only 10 years. 7 years been in power for 40 years. But now Uganda is as if we are in 1925. No wonder every now and then Museveni says we are in 1925. So my brothers and sisters, Uganda is not poor. We are not poor. Yes, we don't have a president, we have a thief. No wonder they stop me from coming to look in you in the eyes and tell you this. Because Museveni knows that we don't fear him, I don't fear him. So my brothers and sisters, we can change this. We are the generation to change this. Our grandfathers and grandmothers in 1962, they were our age when they came and fought for independence. They were your age. They had a dream. That dream was to make Uganda a better place for you and me. They wanted a united Uganda for their grandchildren, and you and me are their grandchildren. That is why they built railways connecting all corners of Uganda. Museveni has destroyed that railway system. They put in place different means of communication to make sure we are connected as a country. But ever since Museveni took over our country by force in 1986, he has taken back our country so many years. He started by killing off people that would challenge him. You and I know how many children of West Nile that have been killed by Museveni. And he has continued to kill them all over the country, including Uganda, where I come from. And the others is continuing to lie to them, and after he uses them to blindfold you, he eventually eliminates them. Some of the elders, he comes and lies to them to join him, to lie to you and pursue you to join him. I remember when I was in parliament, I had a friend called Abiriga. He used to put on yellow from head to toe. Abiriga thought Museveni would love him. Museveni used Abiriga. And eventually you know how they ended the life of Abiriga. So many other people, not only here in West Nile, go to Acholi land. You know a man called Oketch. Go to Ankole. All of you know a man called Nyakayirima. Go to Uganda. All of you know a man called Kasirye Ggwanga. A man called so many, if I start mentioning them, I will spend the whole day here. And it does not stop there. After killing our grandfathers and our parents, now he has come to lie to the children. I had a young brother here, his name was Alionze Dangote. They lied to him and brainwashed him with the peanuts and little money. Lies to people. But I'm telling you, brothers and sisters, we can put an end to this. This is our opportunity. Very many, our eyes are open. We only have one other step to reach. Our step is unity. If we can come together as the young people of Uganda from all over Uganda, it will be game over for Museveni. I will tell you this. Last week I was in Ankole. And you saw how much the young people of Ankole came to show that they are tired of Museveni and they want change. Museveni can no longer lie to the people that he has support from in Ankole, because he does not. I was there. When they started this campaign, they blocked the roads for us and they sent us to the villages. But we use this as an opportunity to reach the people in the village, and you saw how much support the people in the villages have for us and how much they also want change. So Museveni can no longer lie to people that he supported in the villages of West Nile. So now that we are here, now that we are many, now that we have our eyes open, and now that we realize that our only out is to unite all of us, my brothers and sisters, for you, let us use this opportunity of a protest vote 2026. All Uganda, let us unite and speak with one. And we say enough is enough. Enough is enough. We can start again. We can achieve our dreams in our lifetime. Stealing them away from you. When you look at our parents, they're on the